Hey fam, good morning. Um, it's a bright morning, and my girl happens to be a flower girl for today. Look at her outfit. Can you guys see? This is for her, and this is for little sister. Guys, so I am awake, so I want to get prepared. Like, I want to take my shower, prepare their food down for them. So, we take it from there, okay? Hello guys, good morning. Hope you are doing well. So, and for the wording 10, I'm doing her hair. So this is my cute hand dryer.
Oh, this is like this hand dryer.
So I am done drying. We washed the hair yesterday, so I am done drying. So we are coming to do pony for my little princess.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a little princess. You are.
I'm the little princess.
Clean him, Kaka. Good.
Oh, wow.
Amy.
Mama, what's on back? That's
Sister, Bacho, don't give me work.
Okay.
Mr. Bako and Mr. Bako.
Daddy.
I want 2 pony.
No.
Then let's make it 1. Why?
Okay.
And I got it 2.
Daddy. Okay, I'm finding them.
Oh, maybe I am Mamma. And I can't pay you. And I me do it in the same.
Daddy.
But it's not so cool. Is it okay?
Yeah.
So guys, we are using Eco Styler gel, okay? So I'm using it all round. Sorry, Mama. Sorry, okay?
Okay.
So guys, this is spirit. So make it hard. Sure.
For me first. And then back.
I should finish with the hair. I want to do with this one. I could do it. Because they say I didn't cry. That is. The evil one. So guys, I'm using this extension for the pony, okay? So this is it, okay? So I'm removing the this one. There are a lot of small
Many things
ribbons
small.
inside, so you have to remove all.
Ring.
So we're using
Egg.
lunch.
Hello? Egg. Hindi. Hello.
Alright, so I'm going to use this, okay? Different is in donut. So I'll put it here. I'll put it inside the donut. Then I'll wrap it. Yeah. Are you okay?
Yes.
Come on, the time. Are you okay? Oh, it's heavy.
No.
It's okay.
We are having our exercise next week. I don't even pay it for. Because it's going to be bad.
I can't say. So guys, I'll use some things. Uncle Twanto. Mediana Ewawa, you tell me. Okay?
Hello. Masa? Yo.
Are you okay?
Good morning.
Ewawa, catch your me. Why? Are you okay? Say I'm going to you. You won't tell me. Okay? Yeah, don't you know how I feel? Gigi. I don't smile like a class sister. I'm not done. You know your crown.
My wife.
And our wife and all. My wife, it's beautiful. So guys, I'm wrapping it up with this knit. Ladies, it's all.
Yeah, to look at it.
This is a knit.
Nets.
I'm about your mommy pins you. And then you mom. Are you okay? Yeah, clip.
Clip. Clip here.
Using my wedding pins for her.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah. That is it.
My girl is looking beautiful. So guys, this is my girl. This is her hair. Look at this. Hi, Mama.
I am good.